My name is Deepthi Tyagi and my topic is the human blood circulatory system. The human blood circulatory system has three main parts, and these three main parts are the heart, the blood and the blood vessels. The heart is a muscular organ. It is made up of cardiac muscles. Our heart is a four-chambered heart and situated in chest cavity. Then blood. Blood is a fluid that carries oxygen and nutrients to all our body parts and collects carbon dioxide and waste products from all our body. Then blood vessels. Blood vessels are the tube-like structures that spread throughout our body. There are three types of blood vessels: arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries carries oxygenated blood from heart to all our body, and veins collect deoxygenated blood from all our body parts to heart. Capillaries are the structures that are formed when veins and arteries get divided into many tubules. The wall of the capillaries are very thin so that there is exchange of gases, nutrients and waste products are taking place over here. Now let's move on to how our heart works. Here you are able to see the model of a heart. This blue section shows deoxygenated blood and this red portion shows the oxygenated blood. From all body parts, all deoxygenated blood comes on vena cava, and from vena cava it goes to right auricle. Then from right auricle to right ventricle, and from right ventricle to pulmonary arteries. And for pulmonary arteries, this blood goes to lungs, and in lungs it is converted into oxygenated blood, and with the help of pulmonary vein, this oxygenated blood comes to left auricle, and from left auricle it goes to left ventricle, and from left ventricle it goes to aorta, and from aorta it goes to all body parts. So this is the way how our heart works. Our blood circulatory system is a double circulatory system because in every circulation the blood comes 2 times in our heart. Now this is the end of my topic. Thank you.